Meaning of indaba.
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 Indaba. Indaba is a Zulu word that refers to a traditional gathering or conference aimed at discussing important matters and making decisions. It is a participatory and inclusive process that values the voices and perspectives of all attendees. In modern times, indabas are commonly used in fields such as politics, business, and community development. The outcomes of an indaba usually involve reaching consensus on issues, problem solving, and creating action plans. Ultimately, the purpose of an indaba is to facilitate productive and collaborative discussions that lead to constructive outcomes for everyone involved.